Hi everybody, my name is Sofie. I'm from California. I started off as a stylist, and one of the main things that's been my goal since I've been educating is to cross between the styling side and the barbering side and having that nice mix of both, because there's a new wave of the way the industry is growing, and we're seeing a lot of people learning the opposite trade to also add more value to their haircuts. So what we do at these shows is we want to talk about tools and technology and just showing people that there's a much easier way to do haircuts with better tools, better knowledge of the tools, and different techniques that I've learned all around the world.
How's it going, guys? My name is Carlos Estrella. I'm from Chicago, Illinois, in America. One thing I do notice is that it's very different styles from America, from the UK, and in Asia. Very, very different. And we're kind of just here sharing with you guys all of our techniques. By bringing hair designs or hair tattoos here, it's just a new way for people to kind of express the way they feel about themselves. Because one thing I noticed in Hong Kong is you guys have very cool fashion, very cool clothes, but now we're trying to bring a little extra by bringing very cool hair to Hong Kong.